Journey to Home Sweet Home. I'm Pearl. Thank you so much for joining me today. We are going to be choosing the winner of the giveaway for the Happy Planner and Recollections Planner Stamp Set. I'm so excited for this. This is my first giveaway, and it was open to Canadian and US residents. I'm sorry I wasn't able to open up internationally for those of you who are international subscribers. It just was not in my budget to do that, but I'm hoping soon, hopefully by July, if not July, then by January for sure. Hopefully I can do an international giveaway like this one for you guys. I did this to thank my subscribers who have shown so much love and support to me over the past few years. And if you're new and you've joined me even in the last week and the last month, thank you so much for joining the Journey to Home Sweet Home family and supporting my channel. It means a lot to me. So I am using the Sandra Sears random comment picker from her website, and I am going to load in the video. It will come up with how many unique comments that I have, and then it will we will go ahead and randomly choose one of those comments. And then once I verify, okay, so let's do this first, and then I will explain to you after what I'm going to do once we select a winner. So I've just put in the URL. I'm going to load in the comments. So it comes up with the video, and it tells me there are 10 unique users found. We're going to randomly pick a winner, not pick the most liked comment. We're going to randomly pick a winner from all the comments. Okay, so here we go. And Sue Strano. Okay, so she says she would use this as a memory planner. That was one of the criteria that I asked for in the video, was to comment on what you'd use the Happy Planner for if you won. And I'm now going to just double check that Sue is a follower of my Instagram account and my Facebook account. Okay, and then once I verify everything, I will be contacting you, Sue, and we will get the information sorted out, and then I can get this planner to you in February. So I am so excited about this. Now it is very cold in here in Canada, and it's dangerously cold. So once it's safe to be outside and be running my errands, I'll be definitely getting this out to you the first thing I do, and so that you can have that at least for February, so you can start planning and making tracking your memories in this Happy Planner. Okay, thanks so much everyone for participating. Thank you for watching, and Sue, congratulations. Take care everyone. See you in the next video. Bye.